Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Airlines Baggage Policy 2025 Carry-on, checked and extra fees explained. Planning to fly with Frontier Airlines in 2025. In this video, we cover everything you need to know about their updated baggage policy, from carry-on rules to checked bag fees and extra charges. 1. Carry-on baggage allowance. AL permits one carry-on bag and one personal item, e.g., purse, laptop bag, or briefcase, per passenger. The carry-on must not exceed 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters, 22 by 18 by 10 inches, including handles and wheels, and weigh up to 8 kilograms, 17 pounds, for economy class. Premium class allows 2 carry-ons, each up to 8 kilograms, totaling 12 kilogram. Business class permits 2 carry-ons, one up to 16 kilograms, 35 pounds, and another up to 4 kilograms for a laptop or attaché case, totaling 20 kilogram. Personal items must fit under the seat and not exceed 30 by 38 by 18 centimeters, 12 by 15 by 7 inches. 2. Checked baggage allowance. Checked baggage allowances depend on fare class and destination. Economy class, classic or flex fares, typically includes one bag up to 23 kilograms, 50 pounds, while light fares exclude free checked bags. Premium class allows 2 bags, each up to 23 kilogram. Business class permits 2 bags, each up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds, and first class allows 3 bags, each up to 32 kilogram. The maximum size per bag is 158 centimeters, 62 linear inches, length plus width plus height. North American routes may have different allowances, so check your ticket. 3. Excess baggage fees. Excess baggage fees apply for additional bags or those exceeding weight, size limits. Fees vary by route and booking method, typically ranging from $70 to $150 per extra bag. Pre-purchasing excess baggage, up to 3 bags, including free allowance, via Allowance website or call center at least 6 hours before departure is cheaper than airport rates, with a $10 handling fee. For example, a second checked bag fee between the US and Israel recently increased, as noted in recent discussions. 4. Overweight and oversized baggage. Bags weighing 23 to 32 kilograms, 50 to 70 pounds, are considered overweight and incur a fee of approximately $70 to $100 per bag, per direction. Bags measuring 158 to 277 centimeters, 62 to 110 linear inches, are oversized, costing an additional $100 to $200. Baggage exceeding 32 kilograms or 277 centimeters must be shipped via Allowance cargo division. These fees are in addition to standard or excess baggage charges, and averaging weights across multiple bags is not permitted. 5. Sports equipment. Allows sports equipment like bicycles, up to 20 kilograms, free, skis, or snowboards as part of the baggage allowance, provided they meet weight limits, 30 kilograms for economy, premium, 32 kilograms for business. If replacing a checked bag, equipment must not exceed 190 centimeters, 75 inches. Oversized or overweight equipment incurs standard excess fees. Contact AL for specific restrictions, as economy light fares exclude free sports equipment. 6. Special items. Musical instruments can be carried on if they fit within carry-on dimensions or checked with applicable fees. Firearms, permitted only in checked baggage, must be unloaded in locked, hard-sided containers with up to 5 kilograms of ammunition, following strict security protocols. Pets, dogs, cats, or birds, can travel as checked baggage for $100 to $200, depending on size, with crates not exceeding 41 by 38 by 19 centimeters, economy, or 30 by 30 by 19 centimeters, business. Pets over 9 kilograms or traveling alone use cargo services. 7. MATMID frequent flyer benefits. Members of Allowance MATMID frequent flyer program, particularly Platinum, Gold, and Top Platinum tiers, receive enhanced baggage allowances. Platinum and top Platinum members can carry 2 carry-ons, up to 12 kilograms total, 8 kilograms each, and may get 1 extra checked bag, depending on the route. Flycard or Flycard Premium holders enjoy up to 50% discounts on excess baggage fees, making loyalty status advantageous for frequent travelers. 8. Baggage prepayment options. To save on fees, passengers can prepay for checked or excess baggage on Allowance website or through the call center up to 3 hours before departure. This is cheaper than airport rates and allows up to 3 checked bags per person. Prepayment is unavailable for North American routes, and changes to prepaid baggage may incur fees. Always verify costs via the Manage Your Booking section online. 9. Restricted and prohibited items. Carry-on baggage prohibits sharp objects, flammable materials, and liquids over 100 milliliters per international security standards. Valuable items, e.g., electronics, jewelry, should not be checked, as Allowance liability is limited. Checked baggage must not include hazardous materials like explosives or corrosives. Review Allowance guidelines for a complete list to avoid confiscation or delays at security. 10. Tips to avoid fees. Measure and weigh luggage before departure using a luggage scale to ensure compliance with size 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters for carry-ons, 158 centimeters for checked, and weight limits 8 kg for economy carry-ons, 23 kg for economy checked. Pack efficiently with compression bags to maximize space. Prepay baggage fees online. Choose Classic or Flex fares for free checked bags, or leverage MATMID status for allowances. For North American flights, confirm allowances, as rules differ. If baggage fees are high, consider shipping via cargo services. Additional notes: Allowance strict enforcement, especially for carry-on sizes, may lead to gate checks and fees if bags exceed limits. Lost baggage can be tracked via Allowance online tool or customer service, +1 800 223 6700. International flights, particularly to, from North America, may have unique rules, so verify details on your ticket or Allowance website. The airline's policy balances flexibility for premium passengers with cost-saving options for economy travelers, but careful planning is essential to avoid surprises. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.